Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to be going over a brand new program in pre-launch called Level Up 24/7. Right now, this is a all-in-one marketing platform, and I'll show you how it works, and I'm going to go over just a brief overview. All right, so it says here it's time for you to level up. All right, and it's going to be the official Level Up Worldwide pre-launch. Right? We're gearing business owners, network marketers, and affiliate kings and queens with the world's most powerful marketing system and tools in the industry. You could work 24/7, but our tools, I mean, you can't work 24/7, but our tools can. And it's called leverage. If you don't have it, it will show. All right. Now you could join for free. There's no upfront cost just yet during the pre-launch, and it does launch worldwide tomorrow. All right, now this is the countdown here. All right, and then even if you're already in an existing business, you could use this to you could leverage this to promote your primary business as well too. So if you want to promote your primary business and this at the same time, you also can do that. That's what I plan on doing. All right. And this also has targeted traffic. You don't have to go to like a solo ad or anything like that. You still can use solo ads and free traffic, but this also comes with traffic itself as well too. And I'll go ahead and just read this here. We can't stress the importance of targeted traffic. We have seen companies come and go because they deal out cold, dead, uninterested leads. We only offer the best warm-blooded prospects who are actually interested in what you have to offer. All right, so this is going to be very powerful, and you'll be able to build your business. I'm going to show you my results so far, just promoting this the last 2 days. All right, and here's my team members, and this is going to go off a binary system, meaning they build one leg for you. All right, and then you have to build the opposite leg. All right, now me just promoting this in the last 2 days, I have 5 team members. All right, and here's the leg that I started on here. All right, and I have one personal member that I personally enrolled at the bottom here. Now, if I go press on the bottom right, someone took a tour but did not sign up. And if I go up one level, I personally enrolled this person. And then if I go up another level, someone came in that I did not enroll. So this is the powerful part I was talking about. It's a personal and team effort that you get paid on. Right? And I brung in this person, and I did not bring in that person, bring in that person, and so on. So, all right. And then the marketing tools are going to be coming soon. You're going to get your lander builder, so you can build your own landing page. Right? You could design your own flyer. All right? And this is what actually comes with it. This is the stock landing pages and the actual company website, right? But I'm going to show you a way that you could stand out from others, okay? Because you don't want to just promote the company page, you want to build your own capture page, right? And I'll show you what I mean right now. So you go to finance, my earnings, my payouts, my plan, my account. You're gonna sign up with your personal info, my status. See, when pre-launch, nothing's there yet, but that's all gonna change. And then my level up members, like I said, I've gotten 5 people so far. All right, now how you want to promote this? I have a promotional site called Lead Sleep. All right, and then As you can see here, my landing page, I'm going to show you my results with it so far. I've been sending a lot of traffic from Hercules. Here I got 13 opt-ins, and I've been getting a little bit of paid traffic and some other traffic sources. I have 77 opt-ins from that. All right, and like I said, 5 signups already, and that was in the last 2 days. All right, and let's see. Let me go back up here, or let me go down. And I'm just going to launch the editor in here. And this is the page I'm promoting with it. All right, so you always want to create your own landing page or capture page to stand out. All right, now if you are interested in joining this system, all right, you go ahead and click on the link below. And thank you for viewing my channel.